Hi there, Jen Roque here at stampcampwithjen.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, and welcome to my weekly Facebook Live. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Well, thank you to everyone for joining me, but if you're new, please like and follow my Facebook page, and if you're watching the replay on my YouTube channel, then please like my page and then subscribe and then hit that bell so you never miss a video. Sorry. Hello, Jessica. Hello, Kay. Thank you for joining me. As you join, please say hello. Let me know how you're doing. I love seeing you guys. If you're new, I go live every Monday at 7 p.m. And I usually have a project or a card that I share. Tonight we have a special topic that we're going to cover. This is opportunity night, and this is where I talk about a special opportunity that Stampin' Up! Is offering, which is the no obligation starter kit to become a demonstrator. So I'll talk all about that tonight, in case you're thinking about it, or maybe you're not thinking about it, and after I kind of go over everything that they offer, maybe you'll kind of start thinking about it. Who knows? But so that's what we're going to be talking about today. So first I'll talk about how I became a demonstrator. I've been a demonstrator for almost 3 years now. I love being a demonstrator. I do it as a full-time business from home, and I simply love it. I love being able to do something that is my hobby as my job, and I love being able to make my own hours, and I get to meet lots of great people. You don't have to do it as a business if you become a demonstrator. A lot of people become a demonstrator just to get the discount, to make friends, things like that. So there's no obligation whatsoever. But like I said, I've been a demonstrator almost 3 years. Hi Sue, thanks for joining. And I actually have been around Stampin' Up! Much longer than that, probably close to 20 years. My mom really was the one that got me into Stampin' Up! She was a demonstrator for a little bit, and even before that we would get really excited about the catalogs, and we couldn't wait for all the new catalogs to come out, and just see all the new products. And when I was in the military, I would actually, take my catalogs with me and look at them when I was traveling and things like that. So I have always been really excited. I always love Stampin' Up! Products. I love the coordination. I think the quality is fantastic. It's not something you're going to find anywhere else. So, and then the fact that they come out with new products, 3 times a year at least, is always really cool. It's really exciting. So, I used to go to stamp camp classes when I lived in Maryland after I got out of the military, and I really just fell in love with it even more. And so that's something that I do down here in Florida. Now that I'm a demonstrator, I actually teach my own stamp camp classes. So if you're ever in the Central Florida area and you want to give it a try, feel free to reach out to me anytime and connect with me. I always love meeting new people and talking to maybe some customers that I've emailed back and forth, but I think it's really fun when you can meet somebody face to face or talk to them over the phone and really connect that way. So yeah, I just, like I said, I kind of dove in once we moved to Florida and decided, you know what, I'm going to try to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, try to build it as a business. And it's honestly become so much more than that. I've met so many great friends. My team is always growing, and I'm always looking for new people to join my team as well. So that's something that I'm hoping you'll consider as we talk tonight. So some things I want to talk about are, like I said, you don't have to be a business demonstrator to join. You can be what people call a hobby demonstrator. And all that is somebody that, you are enjoying this as a hobby. You may place a couple orders here and there for friends to meet your quarterly minimums, but you're not trying to do a business. You're not running a blog or doing things on Facebook and Pinterest and all that. You're just enjoying the discount and being a demonstrator. Hi, Sue, another Sue. I have two Sues watching me tonight. Thank you for joining me. Another thing, so there is a no obligation starter kit, and right now it is a fantastic deal. And I always say normally Celebration is the best time to join, but honestly this promotion that's going on right now may even be better than some of the Celebration promotions that I've seen. So right now, when you purchase the no obligation starter kit, you get this in color starter kit. And what that comes with is you get these, all the 5 in colors. You get this in color grid paper. You get in color cardstock and in color designer series paper. Just this alone is worth about $66. So, and you're getting all that for free. You get that for free. You get business supplies for free. You get a paper pumpkin kit for free. It's all shipped to you for free. And you get to pick $125 worth of product for only $99. So you get all of that, which is worth, I have my notes behind my phone, that's what I keep looking at. All of that is worth a little over $300, and you're only paying $99 plus tax. I will say plus tax. So a little bit more than $99, but that's almost 70% savings. So that really is a great deal. So if you're even thinking about becoming a demonstrator, I would highly recommend joining now. And it's no obligation. So what does that mean? No obligation means if you sign up and purchase the starter kit and you say, I really just want the in color stuff and I want to pick out some products and get the discount, that's not a problem. You don't have to stay a demonstrator for a long time. So say you try it out for a month and you decide, it's not for me. You can drop, meaning you just don't meet your quarterly minimums and you decide I don't want to be a demonstrator anymore. And there's no penalty. You don't get charged a fee. You don't have to send back your product, none of that stuff. So that's what it means by no obligation. There's nothing that's going to happen if you decide, month, 2 months, 6 months down the road, I don't want to be a demonstrator anymore. No penalty whatsoever. So that's what's really cool about it. So you get to try it, and then, most people, they try it maybe because they just want whatever the promotion is at the time. And then they get hooked on the awesome Stampin' Up products. So I know I love Stampin' Up products, and once it's really hard to see how pretty like the papers are, or certain textures and things like that in the catalog. Once you get it in your hands, that's when you really appreciate how beautiful it is, or the quality of the paper and the tools and things like that. So another great thing about being a demonstrator is you get early access to products. So if you're somebody like me who looks forward to all the new products that are coming out and you really just can't wait to get that new catalog every time it comes out, become a demonstrator. You get to see products a month ahead of customers at least. Actually, it's usually a little bit more than a month because, we get a PDF of the catalog that we get to view, and it's usually like a little over a month before customers get to start ordering from the catalog. So if that's something that you really like, that's another reason to become a demonstrator. And then we have training opportunities that we can take. And a lot of times if you take those training opportunities, you get to see it even earlier than other demonstrators do. So that's another great reason to become a demonstrator. Another great thing that I love about being a demonstrator is all the friendships that I've made. I've made so many great friendships, not only with my friends that come to Stamp Camp, but also with the girls that have decided to join my team. It's just, I really appreciate all of the great people that have come into my life because of Stampin' Up. And I think it's so cool to just connect with all these people that love stamping and making cards and projects just as much as you do, and people from all over the world. Just you never realize how much you have in common with people until you sit down and you start crafting and you start sharing your stories and your history and things like that. It's so much fun. I really love it. Another great thing that I love about being a demonstrator is the discount. So early access to products, I said, is a great thing, but the discount is great. So if you love Stampin' Up and you're always looking for that great deal, become a demonstrator. You get 20% off of products right out the gate. All demonstrators get at least 20% off of Stampin' Up products. And then if you promote, which I can always talk to you about once you join if you're interested, but you can promote and get up to 25% off of Stampin' Up products. So that's really great too. So the discount, early access to products, friendships, those are just some of the top reasons why I love being a demonstrator. And you don't have to be local to be part of my team. I have team members all the way on the West Coast. I have team members up north. I have team members that are local to me in Florida. I have them all over, but I really do try to connect with all of my team members. At least weekly, I send out weekly updates to kind of keep them in the loop on what's going on. We do contests and giveaways and challenges. We did a mystery stamping through Zoom about a month or so ago. We're starting to do like Zoom meetings quarterly to kind of get to see each other's faces. And sometimes I even do my monthly meetings. I try to FaceTime with the members that aren't local so that we can still connect and see each other. So technology is a wonderful thing. 10, 20 years ago, we didn't have all this great technology, and now we can really connect with each other. And I think that's fantastic that we can all, meet people from all over. So, all right. So enough of me babbling on. But like I said, there's just so many great reasons to join. And right now, this In Color starter kit that I mentioned, this is in addition to the no obligation starter kit, and this goes through May 31st, okay? So if this is something you're considering and you'd like to become a demonstrator and try it out, again, like I said, it's no obligation whatsoever. You get all this great In Color stuff. You get to pick $125 worth of product and only pay $99. Plus you get business supplies for free, a paper pumpkin kit for free, and let me make sure I didn't forget anything, and it's all shipped to you for free. So you pay $99 plus tax. I must say plus tax, just a little bit extra for tax, but it's all shipped to you for free. And just give it a try. You might like it, you might decide it's not for you, but what does it hurt? You get a few extra products out of the deal, right? So if you have any questions at all whatsoever, I would love to talk to you about it. You can always email me at stampcampwithjen@gmail.com, or you can call or text me at 240-578-5644. So again, like I said, I really hope you'll consider this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope that I've, at least put a little seed in your brain to start thinking about it. And if you're not quite ready, not a problem, but I am always here to answer questions, and I would love to talk to you. I'd love to have you be a part of my team. We have a lot of fun, and we'd love to have you. So, all right, guys, well, that's all I have for tonight. Thank you so much, and I hope you're all super safe, having a great summer, and until next time, be safe, happy stamping, and good night. Bye.